Golden sunlight drenches Sunnyville orchard, its mango trees heavy with ripe fruit, promising a day of adventure. Children's laughter echoes through the orchard as Anaya and Zayan embark on their quest for the legendary golden mango of wonder. Zayan's eyes gleam with playful determination. "Let's check near the mango juice stand." Anaya counters with a whimsical suggestion, her voice filled with anticipation. "No, I think it might be hidden in the butterfly garden." The sweet scent of mangoes hangs heavy in the air, mingling with the children's excitement as they venture deeper into the orchard. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting playful shadows as the children's quest unfolds, each step filled with hope and anticipation. Inside the vibrant toy shop, Anaya and Zayan begin their quest. Mango-shaped balloons bob playfully overhead. As they delve deeper, their excitement growing. They search behind towering shelves, their small hands reaching. But the golden mango of wonder remains elusive. Underneath whimsical displays, their hope dwindles as the mango's hiding place remains a mystery. The shop owner calls out, her voice echoing with encouragement. "Keep searching, little ones. The magic mango is waiting to be discovered." Disappointment casts a shadow over their faces as they realize the mango is cleverly concealed. Twilight descends, casting the great golden mango tree in a magical glow. Anaya, drawn by a mysterious rustling, approaches the ancient tree with bated breath. A glimmer catches her eye as she spots something nestled between the thick roots. "It's glowing!" Zayan appears, his voice a hushed question. "Is that it?" With trembling hands, Anaya pulls out the treasure golden mango of wonder, glowing like a heart. The scene bursts with wonder as Anaya realizes she holds the legendary fruit.